Now that we have the cap off of the camera, we're gonna go and spy on Brian a little bit for a couple minutes, because nothing is all glamorous. There's hard work behind it. Let's see what he's doing. Hey!
Ah.
What are you up to?
Oh, now the work begins.
Yeah? What is all this totes and stuff? What's all that?
It's tools and parts and pieces, and we still got a lot of stuff to put on the boat yet.
Okay, and what's going on in the back of the trailer
Just putting
here?
the stands back in for, because I don't want them to grow legs and walk away on us.
Okay, yeah.
Things can happen like that. Yeah, so put that back in there. We'll probably take them home, and then when we take the boat up in the fall, then we'll have the stands ready to go.
Okay, certainly, certainly.
So now we're just going to pick away, just like eating an elephant, as Boda Bob says.
Boda Bob.
Yeah,
That's
Boda
mine.
Bob.
That's
Check him out. Boda Bob. B-O-T-O Bob. Yeah.
Boda Bob.
Interesting older gentleman doing lots with trees and stuff in his yard, and he's got a little Kubota tractor. Anyways, just a shout out to you, Bob. I know you watch the channel, so appreciate it.
Little thing for Boda Bob.
What?
I think he learned the elephant story from me.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure.
Actually, the first time I heard that was from an old boss, Bill Brooks, years ago. So
Oh,
anyways,
okay.
yeah.
So I'm overridden then.
Yeah.
100%. Okay. Anyway.
Okay.
So lots of hard work here. It's interesting. Yep. And here we are. This is going to be our home for a little while. Oh, Frill's across the way there. But we're just going to head over there and just say hi and see what else we've been doing. Here we are. Apparently this is a prime location. Everybody would love to have this spot. We'll be stationed here for quite some time until we get everything organized. We got some goodies, important things like coffee from the Circle K. Anyway, yeah, and water jugs. So precious drinking water. And a new horn.
Put a little bit of
Cas for diesel, which is super important. And yeah, extension cords. Lots of goodies. We got lots to put on the boat, but won't be doing that until we get the inside of the boat organized a bit. Okay.
Okay, we're getting supper prepared, eh?
Yeah.
Waiting for this freezer. This freezer better work, I hope.
There you go. There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah.
We got some, we bought chicken. We're gonna warm it up on the barbecue. We got things, everything going on. Still lots of stuff. We got the place jam-packed with stuff, but yeah, getting. Here's the barbecue. The barbecue. Oh, hear that? Get the barbecue installed. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's done. I can turn it off now. Perfect. Yeah. So we're sitting way down on the wharf now. We're at low tide. So it must be, I'd say it's a good 3 or 4 feet difference from low to high tide. So yeah. Anyways, we're all doing good so far. Got some stuff done today. So we got a few bins to tidy up. Alright, I'll take that plate again now to get the chicken.
Oh yes.
Gonna put that chicken on something?
No, just put the hot stuff on top.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Telling everybody what to do.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Dragon boat races, I guess, at some point. They're practicing. What do you say, Holly?
He's the head of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's coaxing everybody to go in rhythm.
That's right.
Yeah.
You've been part of that before, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, the fog is rolling in, seems like, still. We're way down in the wharf now. I think tide must be starting to come back up again now, maybe. Anyways, we're gonna try to get the Dodger up right here. Try to do that tonight, and that'll be it. Call her a day. Oh my! Oh. Oh. Man, I slept like a baby. Yeah, the fisherman wet. I got woke up by a wave hitting the boat, frightened the poop out of me. I had to get up and check. Flat calm out there, foggy, can't see.
A little chilly.
Well, let's get the heat going. There's what are we do here? I got ways of fixing that. There we go. It's a diesel furnace. It's not bad. It's like, I don't know, 7 or 8 degrees or something out there, probably, right? Second day in the water. We're just here top to the wharf getting everything set up. Oh, yeah. So, well, I guess we'll just get up at 5:30 in the morning. Feels like it's time to get up. Oh, good morning. Coffee time.
My hairdo's under wraps right now, but anyway, coffee's on its way.
Yeah, we're doing the electric here this morning. Saving our propane.
Yeah, we're powered up to the box, so that's
Yeah, so according to the warp I can see, I think we're on our way down for tide wise. Yeah. So we're supposed to get the docks put in today in the water hopefully, and we might get a berth to tie up to. Morning face on.
Good morning.
Good sleep? Not a good sleep, eh?
Yeah.
Right on. Everything's going good. We got our plumbing leak fixed. We're getting little tiny jobs. They're all getting done, eh?
Yep.
Still don't have a mast yet.
That's okay, we'll work on that today.
So we gotta get that going today. Won't get it in, but we'll get it ready hopefully. And looking up at the mast there. It's a beautiful day. We got 2 days of gorgeous sunshine now, supposedly. And yeah, it looks pretty nice out there today. 17, 18 today, I guess, it's supposed to be. Well, it's got the table all 50'd up. We're using hot plate here because we're on shore power. And we're saving our propane, and we're using the air fryer like we use at home all the time. So we might just, you never know, we might end up just chucking that and go all electric because we got lots of power. Got the solar panels hooked up yesterday, so I just checked with the angle of the sun right now. We're getting about 50 watts put into the battery, so that's not too bad. Remember, we got 2 freezers that are 2 coolers that are drawn down on the batteries all night. That one, and we got the furnaces are drawn down on the batteries. So it's went up 3% according to that. So we're doing pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna sit and have our coffee here now, and we'll see how the day goes.
Okay, so good day. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and just hanging out here on the boat, trying to do a few chores, but I thought we'd better go out and take a look and see what Brian's up to, because of course there's still plenty of work to do. So let's head on over there now. I'm pretty happy when the tide comes up. It's a lot easier to go from boat to dock, from boat to dock. This is not a floating dock. All the floating docks were pretty severely damaged during Fiona, and they're just starting to put them out now. Brian was giving a big hand out to them a couple days ago. So anyway, we're at the mercy of the tide. A lot of times I'll head on over to the bow of the boat. There's actually a ladder on this side. That seems a little easier for me. And these little knees of mine. So, bee's knees. Let's go see Brian. Got a lot of other people's masts here in storage. He's almost done for the day. This is 3 o'clock usual ritual. Shut things down around that time. It's a lovely day. A little bit breezy and chilly. Here we are sneaking up on him. Checking to see what he's up to. He's had a long day. He's been out here since about
Not enough time in the day anymore. How come that?
8 or 9 he was out here this morning. Yeah.
I'm at work, the day is too long, but when I'm doing this is not long enough. How come that, I wonder?
Because it's slow work, that's why. Yeah. It's not fast work. So what are you doing here?
Finish hooking up the radar.
Very good. Here's this beautiful stand that Brian designed according to what he saw, but didn't want to pay. So this is pretty awesome, actually. Made from some wood that came from the boat. We just repurposed it. He just repurposed it. It's lovely. And of course this is the mast, and we've done a pretty good job of cleaning off the old muck and mildew that was on it for who knows how many years. And Brian restrung some rope here. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I'll pick his brain about it later. And we've got our lights and our radar. Just work on that all day today. We'll come around the other side. There's all his tools spewed out everywhere. I'm gonna help him clean those up. What are these things called, Brian? He repainted the spreaders today too, so they look lovely, white and shiny. Shiny and new.
What a great day. Wow, what a great day. More boat work today. Trying to get the mast ready and get the sails, get the mast in. Wanted to get the mast up. So there's a lot of preparation work to do that. We got the sails here, we're gonna have a look at them. And we were over at the other dock over here on the other side, but now we're here at this one. This one has the crane to lift the mast. So here's the mast here. Everything's ready to go there, and radar is on. Just gotta put the wires back on, the stay cables, right? The stay cables. And we got sails, main sail, jib there. Gonna check all that, make sure all is good. Got the spreaders all. Spreaders are all painted and ready to go. I just gotta install some lights. So yeah, just a few minutes here, and that way I gotta put the cheek cables on for the lazy jacks. That's the biggest job I gotta do. So you know, hopefully I can catch a couple guys here today that's got some time to help me, and usually it's pretty good. Yeah, beautiful beautiful day here on the water. Look at it. Gorgeous, eh? Not a ripple. So it's been a nice day, and then we're getting a couple days of rain, I guess, or off and on rain, I should say. Anyhow, so far so good. We're producing power, not a lot, but we're producing a little bit of power on our solar panels.